Okay, back on this. I got me a sheet of plywood. I got me a little stove that I've decided to use. So I'm gonna get this other drawer built. Maybe I'll get the diesel heater tackled. Haven't decided yet. I think that's gonna be a bigger project than I want to take on today. We'll get this sheet out of here and get drawer figured out what we're gonna do. Here we go. Alright, so this is the stove I'm gonna use, and I want this drawer to pull out and then have this be on its own little slide out. So what I've done, this, I believe it's 9/16 plywood. I think it's 21/32 or something. This is 23/32. So I'll put these here, and then I can move this over here, glue and screw this all down, and then this will keep the stove from tipping out. So I'm gonna get this all glued up and screwed in, and it's gonna be looking pretty good. I'm going to leave a heavy 1/16 of an inch gap here, and on the other side that'll give me plenty of room because I'm skill sawing all this. So that'll give me plenty of room for wonky cuts to move. I guess I gotta, just before I glue that one, I need to screw this one down. Okay, now hang this one over right here. And this will give me room to screw the sides of this drawer on. Don't ask me how I remembered to do that. Alright, this is what I've got. With this all screwed down in the slider. I went ahead and tore that stove apart and screwed it down to the slider so it can't be flopping around and moving on us. Just set you guys right here. So this will slide out to about here. I can't leave it now, I don't have any weight on the drawer, but the hose will come off here and the tank will be there. And then this will set up nice and quick, like that. And we'll have this little way to cook. And like I said, this will be out here. Build a shelf over here, you know, maybe some sides, put some pots and pans or something in here. And then this drawer should pull out about to here when it's all done. So we'll have a flat spot, you know, either a flat spot for prepping, or because this will have to be here to let the stove slide in. And we'll build something here. I think maybe we'll put pots and pans in. We'll have a flat spot somewhere, or maybe we'll have a thing that pulls out for a cutting board or something. And back on that end, I want to build a side that I can insulate with some rigid foam. Have a makeshift cooler, and then this will slide up. We can hit the road. So let's I'll put this down. We'll do some measuring. We'll keep going. Okay, so I've got this side cut out. Just putting these holes in it for the Craig pocket holes. Then we'll get this screwed onto the side, and we'll keep going. Okay, here is what I'm going to call pretty much final product. I've got this, it'll slide out. This back section, I'm going to go get some like 1-inch rigid foam, line the bottom and the sides, and I'll make a lid out of the foam, and that'll be a halfway decent cooler for me. This will be, I need to go get another little piece of wood. This will be a false bottom, so I can stack pots, pans, kitchen utensils, whatever I need in there. Storage, anything, you know, just a general utility compartment. This is a nice big flat work area. Can cut up food, prep, stack utensils or whatever we need there. Just more prep area. And then I've got this. This will slide out to about here. This opens. The wings come out for some little wind suppression. I've got enough room here to put the bottle. The propane line comes out of here. Got enough room for a bottle. So that's my camp kitchen. I think it looks awesome. Turned out really good. I'm excited for this. The built-in cooler is going to be nice because I'm kind of limited for space back here, so I don't really have room for a cooler. So I figure I'll just build one into here. If I don't have enough storage here, I've got enough storage here, or I can take, I've got all my winter gear, my coveralls and stuff in this one now. So when summertime rolls along, you know, that is going to be fine for extra storage. In the wintertime, if I go camping, we don't really need a cooler, so I can put more storage in here, put all my winter gear in there. But between the truck and the drawers, I think we're going to have plenty of storage. Get a diesel heater installed in this for winter camping, but so far I think that is perfect for now. So maybe one of these nights I'll take it out, test it, see how it works. But there's a kitchen drawer for you. Hope you enjoyed that one. I know I've been getting some comments about when are we going to get the rest of this build uploaded. So here it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like it. Give it a like if you liked it. And thanks for watching.